Hello folks, fellow YouTubers and friends. This is my second attempt at a pop engine, and I think you'll notice from the first video I made of my very first pop engine, it was doing really great. And actually this one is too. It's so simple, I don't know why anybody could build one and it not work. I mean, let me zoom in here for just a second, okay? Alright, there you go. You see that thing moving? That's because the water inside is boiling, expands, and then it cools down, collapses, and comes back. And it, of course, when it expands, it pushes water out the other end down here, right down there. Okay, hold up. Let me get the camera in here. There you go. Now, for some reason, the water in the tub is not moving, sloshing back and forth like it did the last time, or rather the first time I tried this. But I put my finger down in the water, and it is actually going. I mean, it's moving. So there is some thrust power here. Let's see. What I'm trying to do is build it as simply as possible. The other one had a big coil, and it worked really great because there was a whole lot more copper pipe so it could cool faster. That's the point I'm trying to make right here. It is a heat engine, okay? Now, in a heat engine, it's not how much heat can you put into it. That's only half of the equation. The other half is how fast can you get the heat out of that engine. And if you'll notice, okay, let me back off here just a little bit. Whoops, wrong way. If you'll notice, this time I have very little copper pipe and a whole lot of plastic hose. Alright, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, but it's a heat engine. Again, it's not how much heat can you put into it, it's can you get the heat out as fast as you put it in. That's why this one's not working nearly as good, and I didn't think it would, but I had to try it anyway, okay? But it is working, and it's working great. So, we're not going back to the drawing board, we're going back to my very first thoughts. The next video I make about the pop engine, I think people are going to be really surprised. Okay, that's enough.